What's up, guys? YouTube here, Little Bane. We just did our tournament here for the Chilling Reign packs, guys, right here. Chilling Reign placed second, and we're at Athoria Games here. I would show around, but I don't have permission from everybody to camerize, so I will just do myself here. We're going to open these 3 packs up here, right here, where I got them, so you guys know. So real quick, we're going to open these up. Again, Athoria Games, Mesa, Arizona. Terrible at opening these packs. Alright, so we have somebody here that I am giving the code cards to, so I'm not going to give them to you this time, but next time I will give them to the one that I promised code cards to here. Alright, so we're going to guess Psychic Energy. Oh. So these are the Chilling Reign. And then I can't even see the names of the cards. Crushing Gloves? What? Where was that when I was playing? Diglett. Alright. Scorbunny. Yeah, Reverse Hollow. And Dugtrio. There we go. Where were those when I was trying to play? I could have used a Dugtrio or a Diglett in the game. Might not have went down to the final 3rd round. Code card over there for you guys. Lightning Energy. And have, there we go. Drizzly. Malloy. Oh, there's a Lapras common. Very nice. This'll Aaron. And nothing. Alright. That's actually a really nice card too. Volcaron. Alright, last pack, guys. Here we go. This is a short video. Again, like, subscribe, follow, share, do all those other things. I always feel like I'm ripping the cards when I tear into the packs. Alright, there's the last code card for you. Fighting Energy. Old Cemetery. Where was that when I was playing? Alright. Shuppet. What is that? Squelvy? Squelvet? Squelvet? Squirrel.
I heard the bad news.
Alright. And then Swirlix. Swirlix. Hey, I got that one right. And then Reverse Hollow and nothing. Alright, no rares out of those 3 packs, guys, but thanks a lot for liking, subscribing, sharing. Have a great night, guys.